The world is never going to be the same again.
I'm worried about the world.
The mass chaos and crises that there was in the world, it's going to be just like that now.
This is not an accident.
How long is it going to last? Longer than even for those of you that have some cash in the bank, way past your cash reserves.
Out of 100 people, 4 will get the message.
This thing isn't going to be over in a few weeks. This thing isn't going to be over in a few months.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Bearable Bull here. And I got this aggressively average content for you today. As guys, I have to say, XRP has officially been replaced by Bitcoin in the eyes of Bitcoin maxis. What a load of bullshit. Ladies and gentlemen, Rand Nooner asked a serious question. Jack Mallers announced an important piece of news for Bitcoin at Bitcoin Miami 2022, and it allows users to send from any fiat to any other fiat with instant finality and no costs. He asks, what is the use case for XRP? Apparently, XRP has been made obsolete, but there is a couple of different community members that have answered this question with precision. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from Anders Lumberg, Lightning Network creates a new version of the Nostro Vostro system, since the Bitcoin Layer 1 has too high fees and is too slow. The main purpose of on-demand liquidity, other than speed, is removing the need for Nostro Vostro accounts, not recreating a new version of the same problem. Excellent. This is an excellent response, and this is exactly how I was feeling as well. In addition, guys, Moon Lambo has his 2 cents to give. A serious question to the maxis. If Ripple continues to implement ODL utilizing XRP as a bridge currency, what is Jack Mallers' use case with Strike and Lightning Network? And that's a very serious question. Mallers' claim is either misleading or an outright lie. Foreign exchange costs are not eliminated with his platform. His company also employs people, which costs money. So if his platform is free, then his company is losing money, or else who's covering the bills? If he's using a free model to onboard customers in early days, then that's fine. But will it be free forever? The only other alternative I've come up with is if he offers that service as a loss leader and makes money elsewhere to cover expenses. But there's no evidence of this. In terms of adoption, Mallers got his work cut out for him. Lightning Network liquidity is not sufficient today. Not even XRP's liquidity is sufficient today, by the way. But hopefully that changes with time. Lightning cannot handle massive transactions. Swift daily flows are in the trillions upon trillions of dollars. Basically, he is running a tech demo of what Ripple shared publicly 7 years ago, and catching up will be challenging even if there were no technical hurdles. Who's going to pay a sales team to onboard new customers? Who's going to implement the software while ensuring regulatory compliance? Who's offering customer support? Free typically isn't sustainable. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to put things in layman's terms, Bitcoin literally just copy and pasted exactly what XRP is and meant to do, except in a much worse way. They don't have the fees and they don't have the speed. They're trying to make it work. They bash XRP, but now they copy us. And ladies and gentlemen, today I believe BitBoy Crypto earned his XRP stripes with this clip I'm about to play you. A big thanks to Notorious XRP for this clip. Now guys, please take a listen.
I think it's so ironic that it was supposed to be a Bitcoin conference, really exciting. Jack Mallers just advertised XRP. He advertised XRP without even knowing it. If you want to go to the diagrams it was showing and you were to substitute, instead of retail, a person shopping, a store, if instead of that, with the card network in the middle, if you were to say a bank to a bank with the SWIFT network in the middle, it's the same exact system. It's the same exact system. Both Bitcoin and Ripple network are networks of value. With XRP, all of the motivation, all of the inspiration, all of the reasons to use it, they're already built into the network. All you have to do is get hooked up with RippleNet, get the technology, or get the user interface, and boom, it's right there. Where's the downside? You're saving 6 to 8 days. 6 to 8 business days you're saving by using the XRP network, which pales in comparison to the amount of time that you're saving. You're really only saving percentages in dollars with the Bitcoin system using the Lightning Network. Whereas with this, you're saving money, you're saving time, you're saving resources. You don't have to have people go into the back end of RippleNet and move all the numbers around. They're moved instantly. And so all I kept thinking when Jack Mallers was talking was, this is XRP, this is B2B, this is bank to bank, these are remittance portals, these are cross-border transactions. This is the motivator. This is what it is. It's evolution, the evolution of technology. With XRP, it's already built in. We're going to see XRP adopted before Bitcoin. No question about it. You're talking about the adoption of one industry, the banking industry, versus the adoption of a vast number of industries that span all of retail in the United States. It's absolutely insane. Like, wow, what an advertisement for XRP.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jack Mallers accidentally advertised to the entire planet that the solution to all of Bitcoin's problems is XRP. And I have to scream it at the top of my lungs because I choose not to remain silent and because I am on the right side of history. As Crypto Eddie said, those who choose to continue to remain silent will be on the wrong side of history. You see, ladies and gentlemen, we have all the evidence to prove that this SEC case against Ripple is going to go our way. With the Bill Hinman emails leaking just the other day, it proved the conflicts of interest that occurred and that this lawsuit was BS from the start. Ladies and gentlemen, what's going to end up happening is that after this SEC case is won or settled, XRP is going to be the only crypto in the entire market with regulatory clarity. Not even Bitcoin and Ether have full-blown clarity. That will allow XRP to have the reins. That will allow this market to see XRP as its supreme leader. And guys, while we continue to be viewed as one of the riskiest assets in the entire crypto space, we all understand we haven't broken all-time highs yet. We all understand we already got sued by the SEC. A black swan-like event scenario already happened to XRP. We've already been through the hell. We cannot go much lower. And I stated the other day on Twitter, I do not believe that we can possibly hit below 50 cents again. The reason, guys, is because of this parallel channel showing that the lowest we could ever possibly reach would be the 54-cent mark. When you analyze this, you understand the risk reward, and you understand that this altcoin season is upon us after this brief chop in the market. All hands on deck. Because if you miss this XRP train, there's no way you could possibly catch it. Thank you to Jack Mallers for the great compliment. I don't even think he realizes what he's done yet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bearable Bull here. Thanks for tuning in. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. Now I'll be back tomorrow with another video.
It's all risky. The minute you were born, it got risky. If you think trying is risky, wait till they hand you the bill for not trying. If you think investing is risky, wait till you get the tab for not investing. See, it's all risky. Getting married is risky. Having children is risky. Going into business is risky. Investing your money is risky. It's all risky. I'll tell you how risky life is. You're not going to get out alive.